Have you ever stopped to wonder if the simple act of bathing, something you do without much thought, could secretly be impacting your health, your skin, and even your lifespan, especially as you age? Ladies, you might be confident about your daily bath or shower routine, believing you have your hygiene perfectly dialed in. But what if I revealed that, after turning 70, those same habits could be quietly harming your skin, exposing you to unnecessary infections, and even accelerating signs of aging? I understand if you're skeptical. After all, how could something as harmless and pleasant as bathing pose any danger? But stick with me until the very end, because I'm going to share eye-opening insights that could drastically improve your quality of life. We're going beyond just common advice. We're exploring the science behind why your skin and health dramatically change after 70, and how you can easily adjust your routine to protect yourself, ensuring your golden years remain truly golden. But before we dive deeper, please take a moment to support this message by liking the video. Your support helps me keep delivering these valuable health tips. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell notification so you never miss an update. And because your feedback matters deeply to me, I'd love for you to comment number 1 below if you enjoy the content, or 0 if you'd like me to improve. Your input truly helps shape the quality of these videos. Now, let's talk about one critical aspect of bathing that most women over 70 never consider: the hidden consequences of bathing too frequently. Many of us were raised with the idea that daily bathing is the hallmark of good hygiene. Perhaps, like many, you've been showering every day or even twice daily for decades. Maybe you feel incomplete without that daily scrub, thinking you're doing your health a favor. But what if your well-intentioned habits were inadvertently speeding up your skin's aging process? Here's the thing: skin isn't static, it changes significantly with age. When you were younger, daily baths or showers likely felt refreshing, invigorating, and essential to feeling clean and vibrant. Your skin was resilient, bouncing back quickly from frequent washing, hot water, and harsh soaps. But now, past age 70, your skin is a completely different landscape. The natural oils known as sebum, which once generously hydrated and protected your skin, slow dramatically. Skin thins out, loses elasticity, becomes drier, more sensitive, and more prone to damage. It's akin to fine, delicate fabric that can no longer withstand rough handling. Imagine, for a moment, your skin in youth as a fresh, juicy peach, plump, hydrated, glowing. Frequent washing back then was refreshing, even beneficial. But after age 70, that peach becomes more like delicate parchment paper, still beautiful but fragile and easily damaged by the slightest misstep. Every time you scrub vigorously with soap and hot water, you're not merely removing dirt. You're stripping away the essential oils your skin desperately needs. Without these oils, your skin rapidly loses moisture, elasticity, and vibrancy, paving the way for wrinkles, fine lines, sagging, and dullness that might otherwise have been delayed or diminished. But the problem doesn't stop at appearance. Many older women mistakenly assume that daily bathing is essential for hygiene, convinced it keeps germs at bay. Yet the surprising truth is the opposite. Your skin is a living, breathing ecosystem, populated by trillions of helpful microorganisms, a community known as your microbiome. This microbiome acts as a protective army, defending you against harmful pathogens. These beneficial bacteria keep your skin's pH balanced, preventing infections from taking hold. But with each frequent, rigorous washing, you're unknowingly wiping out your loyal microscopic defenders, leaving your skin vulnerable to invasion. Consider the unintended consequences. Fungus, for instance, thrives when skin is stripped of its natural oils and protective bacteria. Common fungal conditions like athlete's foot, jock itch, yeast infections, or stubborn, itchy rashes become significantly more common and challenging to treat among women over 70 who overbathe. The same is true for bacterial infections. tiny, unnoticed cuts or abrasions, which may have healed rapidly in your younger days, now linger. Without the protective microbiome, these small openings can invite harmful bacteria, leading to uncomfortable and sometimes dangerous infections such as cellulitis or infected sores. Ironically, the pursuit of excessive cleanliness leaves you at greater risk, not less. Now let's address temperature, another factor frequently overlooked by older adults. Perhaps you're someone who has always cherished long, hot showers, the kind that leave your bathroom foggy, mirrors steamed, and your muscles relaxed. This comforting practice, seemingly harmless for decades, now becomes a hidden hazard past the age of 70. Why is this so dangerous? The answer lies in how hot water affects your cardiovascular system. As comforting as that hot shower might be, it has hidden pitfalls. When hot water pours over your body, your blood vessels dilate or widen significantly to help dissipate the heat. While younger bodies manage this sudden shift effortlessly, older adults aren't as fortunate. The rapid drop in blood pressure caused by vessel dilation can lead to immediate dizziness, faintness, or even passing out, extremely risky in a slippery, tiled environment. Did you know that nearly 80% of bathroom-related injuries among seniors result from slips and falls caused by sudden dizziness? This danger dramatically escalates past age 70. Even a minor fall can be devastating, potentially resulting in broken bones, fractures, or head trauma that forever alters your independence and quality of life. To put this in perspective, a single slip in the bathroom could land you in the hospital, and recovery at 70+ is far more challenging than in younger years. A broken hip, for example, could lead to surgery, extended rehabilitation, and sometimes a permanent loss of mobility. A head injury, even from a seemingly harmless slip, could trigger life-altering consequences. The enjoyable shower ritual you treasure could quickly transform into your worst nightmare. Fortunately, making a few practical changes can drastically reduce these risks without sacrificing your hygiene or enjoyment. Experts consistently recommend bathing less frequently, 2 to 3 full-body washes per week for women over 70. On other days, a gentle sponge bath targeting key areas like the underarms, feet, and private areas is sufficient. Adopting gentle, fragrance-free cleansers rather than harsh soaps further protects your skin. Reducing the water temperature from hot to lukewarm minimizes blood pressure fluctuations and dramatically lowers the risk of fainting or falls. Furthermore, your feet deserve special attention as you age. Often neglected, feet become increasingly important because circulation slows, making healing from cuts or sores more difficult. Poor foot hygiene invites problems like fungal infections, cracked heels, and painful ulcers that can drastically limit your mobility. Daily care of your feet, even on non-bathing days, can prevent a cascade of complications that otherwise might spiral out of control. Equally critical but frequently misunderstood is the care of your intimate areas. After menopause, your body's hormonal landscape shifts dramatically, reducing lubrication, thinning vaginal tissues, and altering pH balance. Harsh soaps or vigorous scrubbing, habits perhaps tolerated decades ago, become sources of chronic discomfort and recurring infections. Using mild cleansers, or even plain warm water, and gentle cleansing with your hand, avoiding aggressive scrubs or irritating products, preserves your body's delicate balance. Ironically, washing too aggressively or frequently can increase odor and discomfort, not reduce them, leading to a frustrating cycle that could easily be avoided. Another overlooked factor is the impact of hard water. Minerals in your tap water, such as calcium and magnesium, quietly sabotage your skincare routine, leaving a residue that irritates your skin and weakens your hair. For already fragile senior skin and hair, the cumulative impact of mineral buildup can turn simple dryness into chronic irritation, redness, or even eczema flare-ups. Investing in a simple shower filter or shifting to gentle, sulfate-free cleansers could be transformative, ensuring your self-care routine isn't silently sabotaged by the water flowing from your faucet. Finally, consider a calming ritual that can also enhance your sleep quality: a warm bath before bed. Interestingly, as you age, sleep often becomes elusive. Yet studies repeatedly confirm that a soothing, lukewarm bath 30-60 minutes before bedtime naturally reduces stress, relaxes muscles, and helps your body ease into deep, restful sleep. Unlike scalding showers, which might spike blood pressure, a carefully controlled warm bath promotes relaxation, naturally dropping your core body temperature as you dry off, signaling your body that it's time to rest. Combined with calming scents like lavender oil, this simple habit can vastly improve sleep, enhance well-being, and boost overall health. At the heart of all these insights is a powerful message. The bathing habits you adopted in youth aren't necessarily appropriate or beneficial after 70. Your skin, health, and even your safety depend on you recognizing and respecting these changes. Making just a few deliberate adjustments, bathing less frequently, lowering the water temperature, switching cleansers, and protecting your feet and private areas can profoundly impact your quality of life. It might seem daunting to shift long-held routines, but small, intentional adjustments can yield tremendous health benefits, keeping you vibrant, active, and independent. If you've stayed with me this far, I deeply appreciate your commitment to your health. Comment number 4 below to let me know you're still here, and remember to subscribe and turn on notifications to keep receiving these vital insights. Let's ensure that the simple act of bathing becomes a tool for health and longevity rather than a hidden enemy. After all, in your golden years, taking care of yourself isn't just important, it's essential.